Alright guys, how's it going? Today I am going to tackle the dust collection on this bandsaw. It is absolutely atrocious. Again, sawdust all over the ground, none of it gets collected. Such a poor design, but it is also a bandsaw from 2002. So obviously it has some flaws, a lot of updating with the new Lagunas and all the new King Canada, everything like that. So I am just gonna cut into this thing. I have a 3D printer. I 3D printed some adapters here. I got one down here that just has some magnets, as you can see here. I had to trim it down to fit, but it basically will sit under the bandsaw like so. Much closer to the blade. That will actually collect. Just wanted to show you guys. So this is what the stock dust collection was. Just this one piece and that far away from the blade. Just doesn't make sense. Too much sawdust not getting collected. So a couple of the parts that I'm going to be using today. I picked this up off Amazon. As you can see, this was actually for my dust collector that goes in the barrel and it helps cyclone the dust. This is a 3D printed part to go from 4-inch down to 2-inch, 2.5-inch. And then I just picked this up from Lee Valley. This is a 2.5-inch Y. Obviously, hose clamps, 4-inch hole saw with the arbor, Milwaukee drill, and of course some 2.5-inch hose and some silicone for around here where I am going to cut out the hole and attach this via. It's only got 4 holes. I might drill some more just to get some better grip. Other than that, I'll take you in for a closer look. wanted to show you guys a trick while I'm doing this. So this is an 11/64 drill bit, and I just wanted to deburr all the holes around here. So what you do is you grab a bigger drill bit and you simply just run it through on a higher, through all the holes, and that will deburr all of the holes, so you do not have to worry about sharp edges cutting yourself. So for the caulking, I like to use this stuff. It goes on white, but it'll actually cure transparent or clear. Just makes it easier, not necessarily for this job, just jobs in general, so you can see where the caulking is going to be, smooth it out, and then once it dries, it'll dry perfectly clear, and you don't have to worry about it. This is why I prefer using this stuff. Just like that. Should be perfect. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is simply attach the hose to this quick connect and then to here. So that is basically going to be the setup. I got a quick connect, another 3D printed part. Goes into the one end of my dust collection that is on my wall. And I will simply sit in there, and then I will hose clamp this to it. It's just a small piece left over. And that is basically going to be the setup. So as the blade spins, this will collect the dust close to the blade, and whatever doesn't make it through the blade dust collection will hopefully be sucked up through this, and whatever dust sits at the bottom of this door. And the good thing is this is a quick connect piece, so I can still fully function, access everything I need to, close this back up, and then simply quick connect that right back on. Yep, thanks for watching.